Hi guys, how can we add shiny skin effect in Photoshop like this? Open your image in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment layer and select Brightness/Contrast. Increase the brightness around +150. Now double-click the layer or simply open the blending options. Move the underlying layer white slider to the left around 111. Hold Alt and split the slider, then move the second half around 205 to make the transition smooth. Press OK. Now select the Brightness/Contrast layer. Go to Image Adjustments Invert. Select the brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white. Set the brush size around 73 pixels and choose a soft round brush. Now, gently brush over the face where you want the shine to appear. Lower the opacity slightly if the effect looks too strong. And that's it. This is before and this is after. That's how you can create a shiny skin effect in Photoshop.